Twist it. Pass it. Pass it. Bop it. No!
What's up, my cronies? It's Kane Kaiser. So, let me just say, OMG. This is why I love your guys' comments and feedback. Because some channel under the name Sivity Tech, shout out, commented on my Bop It Button Classic Edition video, and the test mode has been found for this thing. And I imagine it's probably for the normal Bop It Button, the bonus edition too. But this is unreal. I tried doing the test mode in that video a couple days ago, could not figure it out, and doing the test mode on this thing is so obvious. It's so easy. Way easier than doing the test mode on a Bop It Micro. Super easy. I'm going to do it right now. So first off, you got to take the battery cover off. That's obvious. What you got to do is take out a battery. I'm going to try and angle this so you guys can see it. There you go. Hold down the Bop It button. And then reinsert the battery. Press it fast 3 times. Oops. Not like that.
1.
So that happens. That must be the revision number, 1.
Quiet. Loud.
So now,
Blasting.
it's going to go through every
All time
sound.
score.
But if you bop it,
All time blasting. 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 Blast. Quiet. 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 Loud.
if you bop it,
Blasting. Loud. Quiet.
it'll actually go backwards.
Blasting. Blasting. Blasting.
If you do it like slowly, it'll repeat. But if you go fast,
Loud. Quiet.
it'll actually go backwards.
Blasting. All-time score. All blast. Loud. Quiet. 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 Quiet.
See? Now I'm just going to, so yeah.
Quiet.
I'm just going to let the sounds play.
Blasting. All-time score. Bop it. 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 I remember my first time playing Bop It. Try again. Do it the same, but better. Don't let the dream die! I literally told you what to do. Epic fail. Let's just pretend this didn't happen. What's one step above pathetic? That was a hot mess. Oh, that was adorable. Insert sarcastic comment here. Did anyone see you doing that? Really? Fail-tastic, my man. Hate the player, not the game. I hear it's easier when you try. This is sad to watch. Hashtag the struggle is real. Come on, you're embarrassing me in front of my friends. If I could bop it for you, I would. You still have a great personality. Missed it by that much. Oh, wow, no. Lame. Oh boy, this is awkward. Someone needs practice. Wah, wah, wah. Bummer. Hey, you win. Not. Why? Why? Dude. 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 No. 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 Yeah. sleep now. Off the hook. Okay, this is weird. Ridiculous. You're so hot right now. Even I'm impressed. Quick like a cat. Meow. And the crowd goes wild. Cut. Don't. 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 If I say, let me slow it down for you. I thought we were clear on this. I scored. Bop it to keep going. I'm going to sleep. My batteries are low. Two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1,000. Score!
I guess that's it. So that is the Bop It Button test mode. I wonder if it's different for the bonus edition with the guest voices. Ho! I'm not going to do it on the one that I've got. I do have an original variant bonus edition that I am going to... I'll make a video on that soon. The only problem right now is we've over the course of tonight, we literally got about 8 inches of snow tonight alone, and there's supposed to be more coming. So I might not be able to come home this weekend like I usually do. But if I do, I will make a video of the bonus edition's test mode. So with that, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out, brother!